Cheers and my dear friends, this is me Princia Bastola representing from Group B. Today I am here to talk about the alternative sources of energy. So here you can see that there are many alternative sources of energy. Now I will go to definitions. What is alternative source of energy? Alternative energy is an energy source that is alternative to fossil fuel. It means alternative source of energy is also alternative to fossil fuel. Every day the world produces carbon dioxide that is reduced to the Earth's atmosphere and which will still be there in 100 of years. It remains for more than 100 of years. So this increased content of carbon dioxide increases the warmth of our planet. It means that the carbon dioxide increases the warmth, the temperature of our planet. So the main cause of so-called is global warming effect. Global warming effect. The one answer to global warming is to replace and retrofit current technologies with alternatives that have comparable or better performance but do not emit carbon dioxide. So now here are some of the sources of energy. Here we can see the solar energy, thermal energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, tidal energy, wave energy, geothermal and biofuel. Now I will be explaining the solar energy. What is solar energy? The energy that is obtained from sun. It's an alternative source of energy, so it's known as solar energy, which is obtained from sun. So the heat energy in sunlight can cook food, and even we can make the cold water hot water. So the light energy in sunlight can be transformed into electricity using solar electric panels. Here we can see that a solar hot dog cooker focuses sunlight on the food. Here you can see there is a hot dog, so it is focused on sunlight which cooks the food. Next. Now I am talking about thermal heat energy. The energy pushed into the motion by heat. What is thermal energy? It's the energy that is pushed into the motion by heat. Here we can see some examples of thermal energy. Insulation is the example of thermal energy. Refrigerators, air conditioners, the sun and the stove. So now I am talking about wind energy. Here you can see the picture of wind energy. These are turbines. So wind farms have hundreds of wind turbines with huge propellers that spin in the wind. It means that there are thousands and hundreds of wind turbines. So this spins through the help of wind. Each of the wind turbines hundreds of feet tall. It means that we can see many wind turbines. So it is hundreds of feet tall. The wind turbine changes kinetic energy from the wind into mechanical that turns the generator to make energy, electricity. Next. So now here is hydroelectric energy. The energy produced from the gravitational force of falling or flowing water. What is hydroelectric? As we listen the word hydroelectric, we obviously think about water. Yes. So it is about the force of falling or flowing water. So now falling or flowing water turns a turbine. So turbine turns wires into magnetic field. Electricity is then produced in wires. When turbines wires is turned into magnetic field, then the electricity will be produced in wires in this way. So we can control the flow of water to make electricity by making if we need to control the flow of water, then we should make different types of dams that is made by Tom Miller in Austin. Next. So now I am talking about tidal energy. Tidal energy is this is here. You can see two types. It's the tide is coming in from here, and this tide is going